Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro location tutorial. In this video guide, we're going to walk through how to create a location and if necessary, how to create a location zone. So locations are basically necessary whenever you have an inventory set because if you're connected with an external 3PL, basically you're going to have one virtual location within Xoro that'll behave. Basically, that's where all your inventory will be located. So you'll need at least one location for your store in order for inventory to be housed. So let's go to the location module, and I'm going to create a location for my Manhattan store. So one thing I noticed is there's no zones available to me. So I'm just gonna have to create a location zone before I can continue any further. So let's go to the location zone module and let's create a zone for Manhattan. So I'm gonna select Manhattan. I'm gonna call it Manhattan zone and hit save here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's create our zone, or our location rather. I'm gonna select Manhattan, and now it's pulled up the zone that we just created. And you have a few different types of locations that you can create. So you can create a warehouse location. That's your typical normal inventory location that you can use. You can create a damaged location. So this would be used for any returns or anything like that. You can also create a return location if you're doing your own fulfillment and you're doing a warehouse return. But typically, if you just need a normal, regular inventory location, you'd select warehouse. Your location class. The differences between these two is basically in your inventory. If you have any inventory that becomes zero, that inventory row is still going to remain if it's active. If it's reserve, that inventory, once it's zero, that line will no longer show. So typically, you can select active or reserve. Reserve is okay too. So let's go ahead. Let's create this location. It's gonna keep it simple here for the location name, and you'll have to have at least one of these filled out. And let's save. Click OK, and the location has been created.